Okay, we will start in 1 minute. Let me do the clean up. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so far we have learned about the query language, and we focus only on the. Wait, let me just reply quickly this. Yep. Okay. Whiteboard. Okay. So DML. Yeah, DML is a data manipulation language. Okay. Uh, yep. So the DML or data manipulation language consists of the few query, yeah, that we know as a CRUD. So CRUD is a CRUD. C is a create, and then R is a read, and then U is a update, and then a D is a delete. Okay, in the SQL query language, this is using the insert command, and this is using the select command. This one is using the update, and this one is using the delete. So far we already learned about the select, yeah, the read, but we have not learned about how to create or to insert the row into the table, or creating the table itself, and then to do the updating. Okay, so that's what we're going to learn now. Yeah, how to perform the insert command. So to be able to insert, you need to first, yeah, create the empty table with row or column, or the table already have some content, and then after that run the insert. Okay, yeah. So this one is inserting rows to the existing table. So the table, the existing table can already have something, yeah, or it can be a new one. Okay, so that's number one. Okay, number two is you have the table. Okay, and then after that you want to create a new table. Okay, yeah, so this is the existing. This is new one. Okay, and then after that using the insert into. Okay, yeah. So let's learn one by one. Wait, Okay, so let's look at the Azure Data Studio. In this example, we're going to create the empty table, yeah, new one. Yeah, so the name is sales LT call log. So the call log that table that we will create, it has a few columns. Yeah, call ID, call time, salesperson, customer ID, phone number, and the notes. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here we create table. Okay, yeah, so you go to the table, look for the table, call log here. We don't have this, then we refresh. Okay, this one, yeah. 6 column. Call ID, call time, salesperson, customer ID, phone number, notes. Okay, and then if you check the current content, select star from sales lt dot call log. Okay, empty, nothing. Yeah, so 6 column but empty. Now we're going to start populating with the manual. Okay, manual using the insert into. So 6 column. Okay, but here you see that this call ID is a type of the primary key. Yeah, and then integer not null. Okay, so what happen if it is a primary key, meaning that the information here will be keyed in by the system automatically. You don't have to put in. Yeah, so you only need to fill in this file: call time, salesperson, customer ID, phone number, and notes. Yeah, so when we insert, we put into bracket the value that we want to insert. Yeah, okay, here this one is for this. This one, salesperson, is for this. Okay, and then number one, this one is for the customer ID. Yeah, and this one is for this phone number. Yeah, and then the notes, this is for this. Okay, according to the sequence position of the column in the table. So the second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, sixth column. Yeah, this is a second, third column, fourth column, fifth column, and then a sixth column. Okay, then you add this. Okay, yeah. So how about this one? No need, yeah, because it's primary key. it will be populated automatically. Okay, let's run. Okay, now you run again. The select, then you have one row. Yeah, so this will be added automatically, sequential. Yeah. Okay. Now you would like to key in another row. Yeah, this time you see that we have the second column, a second row to be inserted. Insert into the cell same, yeah, but value, yeah. So here for the uh, second column, the call time, we use the default, yeah. So in the table definition, just now we see the default is a get date, yeah, get date. Get date meaning it's a function to get the current date and time, yeah, which is currently is 21st of August, 10:15 a.m. Okay, then the salesperson is David. Yeah. Okay. So run again. So now we have the row number 2 and 3. Oh, sorry. Just now we run twice. Yeah. I think we run twice. Oh, okay. No, I mean someone else. Yeah. I think someone of you also run uh, the same command. Yeah. So you use your laptop to run, then it will be adding this row. Yeah. This double. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So you are working with the same table like mine. Yeah, we are sharing the same table. So when you run, it will be adding the row here. So that means I know that some of you doing the same practice, yeah, in your laptop. Yeah. Okay. So here, what happened? Yeah, if I do not put the default like this, yeah. So I copy this, yeah. This will generate an error like this, yeah. For example, because this one default. Okay, like this, yeah. So I remove the default. After that, I run this command. Then I got an error. Yeah. Why? Because it say the column name or number supplied does not match the table definition. So the table need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. This one no need input because this is a primary key. Okay, and then this only providing 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns. Yeah. So this error. Okay, I check the Telegram. There are some messages. Is there any messages? Okay, I think in the chat box. No, no, that's okay. B. Yeah, so if you want to create your own, when you create a table, you can put, for example, sales LT AB call log like this. Yeah. So then it will create a separate table for yourself. Yeah, you can do that. Otherwise, then you will be using the same table as mine. Okay. Now, let's look at the insert into. Yeah, but we would like to specify the column name and the value. So here I only provide the 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 column only. 1, 2, 3. But if you do this way, because the value that you provide is less than the column number, you need to tell, yeah, that this value, yeah, the Jillian is for the salesperson, and then this number 3 is for the customer ID, and this 279 something is for the phone number. Okay, so you have to explicitly provide the column name informations, yeah, in the insert into. Okay, yeah, run. So now I have one more row edit, yeah. Okay, yeah, which is this. Of course, this adding one by one is quite troublesome. Yeah, then you can also use the inserting the multiple row. Yeah, so insert into the sales call sales at the call value. Yeah, this is another row. This is another row. Yeah, you put one row inside the bracket here. This is single row. Yeah, and then here comma. Yeah, then another bracket. Yeah, then you can put comma again multiple times. So this is useful for the CSV. Yeah, comma separated value. You want to add the comma separated value. So we're going to add the two more rows. Yeah. So currently 4. Then we add the two more rows here. Okay. So when you run again, okay, then we have the 6 rows. Yeah. You can also insert the table, yeah, by running the select. Yeah, using the select into, okay, or insert into. Yeah. So insert into, after that followed by the select. If you run the select statement here, yeah, okay, then you see how many rows? There are 2 rows. Yeah, shoe for the customer ID 529 and 29784. Yeah, so we would like to add these 2 rows into the call log. So Sue already called them, and then Sue want to add to the call log that she already called this customer. Yeah. Okay. Then the syntax is insert into, yeah. This is the table name that you want to insert. This is the column name, and this is the source of the data, yeah, from the select statement. Okay, so we're going to add these 2 rows, yeah, from these 6 rows which already exist. Okay, so we want to add 2 more rows. Run. Okay, now you run again this to check. Yeah, then we have now 8 rows. Okay, yeah, which is adding 2 rows from this select statement. This one. Okay, so primary key giving you the identity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, every time you add a new row, then it will generate the new identity. Okay, yeah. Then we have the query to retrieve the inserted identity. For example, we add this rows, yeah, then we run the scope identity. You see here, number 8, yeah. So when you add one more, then it will be 9. Okay, so you run this. Oops, sorry. Okay, yeah, here. Run. Okay, so the identity is number 9, which was added to this table. Yeah, so if you run, select again, you see the new row, the identity is 9. Okay, yeah. Sometimes we would like to override this identity, not to be sequential, currently 9, then followed by 10. Yeah, so I would like to, if I don't override the identity, then it will create a new row with 10. Yeah, but here I will put here insert identity says call log on. Okay, I have to change this to the 10 because just now someone Abby, yeah, run this row, run this insert. Yeah, so now I already have 9. If I put the 9, then it will be error, yeah, because the primary key cannot be duplicate. Yeah, so I change to 10. Or maybe if I want to show you to use other number, I put 19 like this. Yeah, so jump quite far. Yeah, 9 it's supposed to be 10 if I don't overwrite. Yeah, but now I want to overwrite, show you that I want to make it number 19. Yeah, the identity. Call ID. Yeah, here, call ID. Yeah, I want to override with 19. So you have to specify that the call log is on, the identity. Okay, run. Okay, so when you check the table now, you see here, this is 19, yeah, jump. Okay, now I would like to prevent the override. Okay, then now you want to add one more row, which is this one, yeah. So I would like to, yeah. So this one is, okay, just one more row, yeah. Run. Okay, so continue, yeah, from the last one. If you want to make it number, for example, I don't have number 10, yeah. I want to make number 10, okay. So I repeat again this. Okay, then I change to on. Okay, after that I put this one, call ID, yeah. Then number 10 like this, yeah. So I run this. Okay, so this number 10 inserted, yeah. This is to override the sequence because the call ID is primary key, and then it is integer generated automatically by the system. Okay, any questions so far? There is another command which is select into. Yeah, select into. Let's look at the syntax of the select into. Okay, yeah. So let's see the select into. Yeah, select blah 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 blah. Yeah, into the new table from the old table where condition. Okay, for example like this. You know that in the customer, yeah, I have this column. For example, I only need the 3 column, the customer ID, the first name, and the last name, maybe one more company name. Yeah, so I want to make this as a new table. Yeah, so I use the select, yeah, and then after that customer ID, comma, yeah, first name, comma, last name, okay, comma, company name, yeah, from sales LT dot customer, okay, into. Okay, so this from is later. Yeah, into is first, like that. Into, yeah, sales LT dot the new customer table. Okay, yeah, from this one. Okay, so you see select blah blah blah, blah yeah, into sales LT new customer table from sales LT customer. Okay, what we'll be doing, yeah. So this will read four columns, yeah, from the sales LT customer. This one, customer ID, first name, last name, company name, and then write into the new table, sales LT new customer table. Okay, I run this one. Okay, so this refresh the table. Okay, then you will see the new customer table. This one, new customer table. Okay, and then when you run the select star from sales LT new customer table, then you will see only four columns. Okay, yeah. So this is a very useful in the creating new table from the existing one. And of course, I can also use the join. Yeah. For example, do you remember that I have this, yeah, the product with the color, yeah. Select color from sales LT product. Like this, yeah. Okay. So there are many colors, yeah. And then I would like to put a distinct, yeah. Okay. So now I have this the list of the color that not duplicate, yeah. There are 10 colors. Can I make this table as a new table? Yeah, so I can do that. Yeah, select distinct color from sales LT product. Yeah, okay. So before from, I put the into, yeah, sales LT product color. Okay, yeah, then run. Okay, now I have the new table permanently. Yeah, that the name is product color. Refresh. You see here product color. Yeah, so then you can use as a normal table. Select star from sales LT dot product. Okay, run. You see, yeah. Oh, sorry, from the color, product color, like this. Yeah. Okay, then you already created the new table, which the data is populated from this select statement, which is very useful. Yeah. So next time, if you will need to create a new table from the existing one, then you have to use a complicated query. You can use the select and then into. Yeah, this into will create the new table. What happened if the table already created? Yeah, okay. So I run again one more time this command. Yeah, the table was already created. Yeah, so run. Yeah, there is already object name. Yeah, so you have to, if you want to update, then you can update the table, or you can drop. Yeah, drop table sales product color. Okay, then you can run again. Wow, still running. Hmm. Okay, completed. Yeah, then you can run again. Okay, yeah, so now you have the table created again. Okay, any questions? This is very useful, yeah, to populate the table. Okay, if you don't have, then let's move to the update. Yeah, update is this from the CRUD. Yeah, update. So existing row, you want to change the value. Okay, so back to the previous table we use as an example, call log. Yeah, select star from sales LT call log. Okay, you see here, you look at the nodes. Yeah, some null, some returning. Yeah, okay. Then when there is a null like this, yeah, like row number 3, row number 4, yeah, row number 5, I would like to change to no nodes. Okay, so using the update. Yeah. So update followed by the table name. You don't use a from. Yeah, update in directly. Update followed by the table name, and then set the column name equal to the new value, and then you can put the where clause. Okay, so where clause is very important. Yeah, if you don't put the where clause, meaning it will replace all row. Okay, so if you don't use a where clause, is applicable to the all rows. So sometimes accident, you try to update, then mistakenly you update everything. That's dangerous. So normally when you run the update or you run the delete, yeah, then you have to put the where clause. You test first. Yeah. How to test is you replace this. Yeah. Okay. I put here. Yeah. Best practice before you update. Yeah. Or delete. Always test the command using the select. So what is the meaning? Like this. For example, I would like to update. Yeah. And then I change this to the select. Yeah. So from okay, yeah. So don't change anything. Sales star select star, yeah. From the sales LT call log where node is null. Okay, you run this. Okay, then you see all the row that the nodes is null. Are you sure you want to change this to the no nodes? Yeah. If yes, okay, then run. Okay, then you check, yeah, the okay, now this already changed to the no nodes, yeah, for the all the null. Okay. If you want to update multiple column, you use the set, after that comma, yeah. You want to set salesperson equal to empty and then phone number equal. Okay, here you see you don't have the where clause, yeah. There is a no where clause means change all rows. Okay, yeah. So no where clause means change all rows. Okay, so you run this one. So what you want to do is to change the salesperson and the phone number with the empty space. Okay, you do it, yeah. Then after that, you select again. Then now the salesperson and the phone number all both are empty. Yeah, both are empty. Okay, now you would like to replace this salesperson name and the phone number from the other table. Yeah. So we use the update. Yeah, this is the table name, and then a set. Yeah, salesperson equal to the C salesperson, phone number equal to C phone. Yeah, from this one. Yeah, where the customer ID equal to the customer ID. Okay, you would like to get the info from the customer table, yeah, to populate this two column. Okay, run. Now you get the correct entry. This one, yeah, the phone number. Okay, any questions? Can we drop couple times? No, because once you drop, then the table was deleted already. So the next time you drop, then it will generate an error. For example, just now we have the product color. Yeah, so you see here the product color. Okay, so we drop the table. Okay, yeah. So drop table sales LT product color, run, done, completed successfully. Yeah. Then you repeat again, then you will get an error because the table no longer exists. Yeah, there is no more product color. Okay, good. Yeah. Now delete. Yeah, delete. Delete from the sales LT. Yeah, where the call time is less than that 8 at. Yeah, so 7 days. Yeah. So currently, if you run, how many rows? We have the 12 rows. Yeah. Then we want to delete again. Yeah, before you delete. Yeah, normally best practice. Yeah, is to test the command. Yeah. So here from the delete here, you check the command and then change to select. Yeah, select star from the this. Yeah, where this one. Then you will see the row that you want to delete. Yeah. Okay, there are two rows. Yeah. Are you sure? This those that you want to delete. Yeah, the call ID number 1 and 2. Okay. If you are sure, then run this one. Yeah. Okay. Then now you run again. The call ID number 1 and 2 already gone. Yeah. So no more. Yeah. So that's always a best practice to check the before you execute the delete command to replace with the select command. The purpose is to make sure that you delete the right one. Yeah. Okay, so what happened when you delete is you delete the row. Okay, so when you perform delete the row, then the row is deleted, yeah, but the table is still there. Even you delete all the rows, yeah, then the table is there. Yeah. So if you delete is to delete row. Even after you delete all rows in a table, the table still there. Yeah. Empty. Okay. Yeah. And this delete command is log in the transaction log, so you can undo. Can we run the table a couple of times without error? No, cannot, because when you create the table, you see here, yeah, select into, yeah, like for example, just now is Okay, I think previous one. See here, yeah. So select this one, yeah, okay. So the table just created, yeah. So if you refresh, okay, the product color is already there, yeah. Then you run one more time, then you will get an error because the table is already there, yeah. So you cannot create the table because it's already exists. Yeah, this is create a new one. Clear, Vijayasri? If you want to, yeah. If no, then what for? If you already have, then what for you create again? For example, like this, yeah. Currently, I have 10 rows, yeah. So there are new product with a new color. So I need to add the new color, yeah. So you can use many way, yeah. One is to drop the table, then recreate again, or you just insert the additional color in the table using the insert. Okay. Yep. Mm. So if you have a million rows table, then delete will be a very, very long time. Okay, yeah. So when you have a table with many rows, delete could take a long time to complete. Yeah. So the alternative is truncate. Yeah. Truncate is a command that erase the content of the table. All the rows will be deleted, yeah, but without logging. Without logging meaning it will complete faster. Okay, the command is truncate here. Yeah. Truncate table. Okay, so truncate table is similar like delete row. So the table is still there, yeah, but empty. Okay, so here I truncate the table, run, yeah, very fast. Yeah, then you select the table is still there, but empty. Yeah, the drop table is different. Yeah, drop table is delete the table. So not only delete the row, but the table also deleted. Okay, so here, yeah, uh, drop table. Not only delete all rows in the table, but also delete the table itself. Okay, yeah, so you understand the difference between the delete, truncate, and a drop. Okay, what the difference? Yeah, let's summarize. Delete, yeah, delete the specific rows. Yeah, all could be all row. In the table. But the table is still there. Is not deleted. Yeah. Okay. this create a log, so can be undone, can be reverted, can be reverted. Okay, truncate, same like this. Truncate, yeah, delete the all, yeah, all rows in the table, but the table is not deleted. This does not create a log, so cannot be reverted. Much faster compared to delete all. Okay, and then a drop, yeah, drop table is delete all rows in the table, and also delete the table itself. Yeah. Okay. So also do not log. Yeah, cannot be reverted. Yeah. Okay, this is the differences between the delete, the drop, and also the truncate. Okay, any questions? So to practice, you have the labs for this topic is in the lab 9. Insert the product, yeah, and then after that update the product, delete the product. Okay, so you have something to practice, and later I do the clean up to delete the additional table that we have created so far. Yeah. Okay, for example, this call log, yeah, and then after that new cast table, yeah, then these all are additional thing that just now we create, yeah. So I'm going to erase, yeah. So drop table, this one, yeah. Sales LT new customer table. Okay. So drop this table. Okay. Then after that the product color, yeah. Drop table, this, run. Okay. Yeah. So you can refresh again. Okay. Yeah. Call log. Yeah. I can also drop the table. Okay. Yep. So I think that's all. Okay, everyone, any questions before we end? So we make a quite good progress so far. Most of the important thing about the basic TSQL I already explained to you, and you just need to practice. Yeah. Remember, if you don't practice, then you will forget this very easy. So you download all the files, and then after that, try to complete the lab activity. If you have any questions or problem, you look at my recording in the YouTube, and of course you can ask me again. Yeah. So to next week is the 28th. Yeah, 28th we're going to finish up with a few more topics. Then next one we already moved to Python programming. Yeah. So the programming variable, and then if else a while, yeah, to do the looping, stop procedure, and then the error handling. Yeah. So if you are looking forward to learn Python, yeah, we're going to do that next week. So next week will be Saturday 27 and 28. Yeah. So we're going to cover this last two programming part, and then after that September 3rd of September we're going to start with Python programming. Yeah, so truncate just empty value. Yeah, truncate is to erase all the contents in the table, all the rows, but it does not log. Yeah, so it will be fast because there is no restore point. Okay, everyone. So that's all for today, and enjoy your Sunday. Don't forget to practice. Okay, then I'll see you again next week. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Okay, thanks Lian and Junie and anyone else that have already organized all the files in the share folder. Appreciate your help. Yeah, thank you.